Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to close Yahoo Mail permanently. Let's start. First of all, you have to click Profile, then Account Info, go to Privacy Controls, then scroll down, click on Delete My Account, scroll down again, click on Continue Delete My Account button, enter your mail ID and click on this button, and finally click the Got It button. That's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.